What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Sergio and I am back with another video. As you can see by the thumbnail, man, I'm not playing no games with this drop Shag today. No sir, no way. It's me, you feel me? Right here, all I'm doing is going with the wave pattern of his hair, combing it out, getting it ready for this icy blend. Yes sir. Alright y'all, so first thing first, we're gonna take this one guard, open it all the way up and go with the grain to lay them waves down, you dig? Just do a little prep work, getting it ready for that icy blend we finna put on this thing. And as you can see right here, I am not going deep into the shag. I am allowing my clippers to just glide with this wave pattern so that I can get that blended look. You want to make sure you pay close attention around this area right here. This is the crown, and this right here will take you down if you go the wrong way. I'm not playing with you, man, for real. As you can see right here, I have my 2 guard all the way open, and all I'm doing is attacking the bulkiness at the top of the shag. I'm not going deep into it. Again, like I said, we're just getting that prep work ready. Right here, we're just gonna go ahead and take the TI liners and go ahead and ball it out and create that first guideline. And right here, all I'm doing is just taking my seniors, opening the lever all the way up and create another guideline to create the separation from the ball line to the fade. And as you can see right here, all we're doing is attacking that bottom line, man. We ain't going deep into it. We're just attacking the bottom line, getting it up out of there. You dig? Check that out, man. Be sure to use them corners. Don't be afraid to use your corners. The corners is everything. A lot of times, people using that whole blade, all you gonna do is just keep creating lines. As you can see, I'm using my 1 guard all the way open. And I'm gonna create another guideline. That's pretty much the key to fading. Creating guidelines, open, close. As you can see, open, close. I told you. Then I'm just gonna play out the fade. That's it. You know what I'm saying? Again, using them corners because I really don't want to make a hard line. Hold your head up, boy. And we're gonna attack that bottom line again. You see what I'm saying? I closed the 1 guard all the way up, and all I'm doing is attacking that bottom line using them corners. And of course, I'm gonna pull that half guard out just to go ahead and clean up the bottom of the fade. As you can see, I'm not going too deep into it. I'm just, again, cleaning up. We're playing clean up right now. Hold your head up, fam. Come on, boy. And now we're just gonna get that 1.5 guard to just go ahead and knock out the bulkiness at the top of the fade so that we can get that even and nice little blend with this transition. All we doing right here is just cleaning up any excess hair that we felt like we left. You want to go back through. You want to continue to go back through, clean up, lay that hair down, lay the fade down. And as y'all see, I'm gonna continue to use them corners. Use them corners, people. Use them. I'm trying to tell you. And of course, man, we doing the same exact thing on this side. That's that one all the way open. And we getting ready to attack this blend. We get it in, we're gonna close it. We're gonna attack that bottom line, like I told y'all before. And we getting it in there. The fade. We're not playing no games. As you can see, all I'm doing is just picking out the hair, getting it ready for this shape up, man. Yes, sir. We going with the shape of the head. We're not going into the shag. We actually letting the clippers play off the head and just glide across, his shag. That's all I'm doing. That's it. And we finna get this edge up popping. You dig? I see some barbers use, gots to be glue. I like to use the liquid razor, and then just so that that liquid razor can go ahead and dry up quick, I'm gonna use that blow dry. You know what I'm saying? And as you can see, I'm allowing the rest of that liquid razor to just finish drying up, and I'm gonna go ahead and just edge up the back of the head, shape up the shag some more and get it in. And when you going around that ear, man, make sure you pull that ear down. You don't want to cut your client's ear up, dog. You don't want to do that. You don't want to cut it up. And look at that. Look at that. We at the front of the edge up, and we just prepping it for that hot sauce. Y'all think I'm gonna put the hot sauce on them? We gonna see. We gonna see. Yes, sir. There go the hot sauce. Let's go. The icing on the cake, man. I don't really use it on every client, but video purposes, and this client in particular, he really liked the hot sauce, so we gonna put it on him. And don't be afraid to pull them shears out to, you know, get any excess hair that you may see out the way. You know what I mean? And just clean up. I'm gonna say that a lot. Clean up. You want to make sure that your painting and your canvas is picture perfect. And I'm gonna pull them gold boys out at the end because these my hard hitters. The other ones was just for me to get that edge up in there, so that I see a lot of barbers using the hot sauce as a cover up on the edge up. But see, me, as you can see, I did this edge up, then I did the hot sauce, and now I'm going back in and I'm just touching the edge up. You always want to do that. Don't use it as a cover up, folks. It's not a good thing. It's not a good look. It's not. As a barber, that is not a good look. Ooh, sheesh. And this is what they doing on TikTok. Oh my God, this thing is nice. That right there, man, is a nice shag, you know. Man, if you watched this video all the way through, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, dog. I really want y'all to, you know, subscribe. I want y'all to come back. Drop in the comments below what haircut y'all want to see me do. Just give me feedback. That's all I'm asking. If you've watched this far, I need your feedback. Straight up. If y'all want me to get more detailed on the cuts that I do, if y'all want me to just, you know, sit here and just be myself throughout the whole video, you know, crack jokes, whatever y'all want, bro, I'm gonna do it. But if you watch this video all the way through, it means that you really wanted to see this cut. You really wanted to see how it was gonna turn out. So please comment, please like, and please subscribe to my channel. Let's go.